Okay, now, this problem states, as before, we introduced I as a value of x such that x squared is equal to negative 1. Find another imaginary number besides x equals I that is a solution to this equation, x squared equals negative 1. So, what are problems that are pretty easy to find the answers to? Well, how about like x squared is 4? We take the square root on both sides, but when we actively do that square root, we have to put the plus or minus, and we would get that x is equal to plus or minus 2. Because both of those values squared would equal 4. You introduce the plus or minus sign when you take the square root on both sides. Now, with this similar logic that, negative 2 squared is equal to positive 4. If I'm looking for solutions to x squared is equal to negative 1, then let's try plugging in, well, if negative 2 works, how about we try negative I squared? What does that become? Well, we get negative I times negative I, which is the square root of negative 1 times the square root of negative 1, which becomes the square root of negative 1 squared. You multiply it by itself. The square and the square root cancel out, so we get negative 1. So yes, we do have that negative I squared is equal to negative 1, just as I squared is also negative 1. So these are our two solutions. We have that I and negative I are solutions to the equation x squared equals negative 1.